Welcome to this detailed walkthrough of CoinEx Wallet, your all-in-one solution for secure cryptocurrency management. CoinEx Wallet is designed to provide users with a seamless experience, whether you are a beginner in crypto or a seasoned investor. In this video, we will explore its standout features, usability, and security mechanisms. First, let's discuss the user-friendly interface. CoinEx Wallet boasts a clean and intuitive design, making it accessible for users of all experience levels. The wallet supports a wide range of cryptocurrencies and multiple blockchain networks, ensuring that you can manage all your assets in one place. Setting up your wallet is straightforward, with a secure account creation process that emphasizes privacy and control over your private keys. Security is at the core of CoinEx Wallet. With robust encryption protocols, users are assured that their assets are safe from cyber threats. The wallet also incorporates advanced features such as multi-signature support and two-factor authentication to add additional layers of security. CoinEx Wallet emphasizes decentralization, meaning you maintain complete control over your funds and data. Did you know that your USDTs can generate passive income? With the Nexo platform, it's easy. Just transfer your USDT to Nexo and start earning up to 12% APR with daily accruals. This is the perfect way to make your crypto assets work for you. Sign-up link and bonus for new users is in the description. One of the most compelling features of CoinEx Wallet is its multi-chain compatibility. Whether you're dealing with Bitcoin, Ethereum, or other altcoins, CoinEx Wallet allows seamless transactions across multiple blockchains. The wallet also integrates with decentralized finance, DeFi, applications, enabling you to participate in staking, liquidity pools, and more directly from the interface. Furthermore, CoinEx Wallet ensures smooth and cost-effective transactions by optimizing network fees. Its built-in swap feature allows for easy conversion between supported cryptocurrencies, saving you the hassle of transferring funds between platforms. For those interested in exploring blockchain technology further, CoinEx Wallet provides educational resources and updates about the latest trends in the cryptocurrency world, ensuring you stay informed and empowered. Make sure you don't miss out on any opportunities to maximize your crypto potential. Ready to take control of your digital assets? CoinEx Wallet offers a comprehensive suite of tools to keep your crypto secure and accessible. Subscribe to this channel, give the video a like, and let me know your thoughts in the comments.